That's really good. So that was my little coffee creation. It's like a cinnamon bun something. Needed an up on my caffeine because today is cleaning day. So if you're new here, my name is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. Honestly, guys, this is gonna be over the course of multiple days because baby, it takes a lot of work. Each space while I'm at home by myself with the kids, dreading it. Got my caffeine, got my music. Let's go ahead and get started. The kitchen really needed to be reorganized. It was just looking like a complete mess, okay? Like I needed to reorganize some of the cabinets, needed to do the lower cabinets and just get them all together. Put the snacks for the kiddo where she could reach it because sometimes I just want to get her snack by herself. Got to create some independence, but it has to be on reachable heights. order of business was the living room. It was looking like an absolute catastrophe, like a tornado ran through it. So let's go ahead and clean that up. To tackle is some of the laundry, because it's the never-ending load of laundry, you know what I'm saying? Like, you got kids, you know what I'm talking about. It's just like a cycle. You wash, they use, you wash, they use. It never ends. If you got this far in the video, you're a real one. Please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you want to see part 2 of me getting this house all together. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one.